In this video, I will show you how to use my split slider function. First, get the code from the link in the description below. Then you will get a zip file. Extract it. You will get split slider CSS and JS files. This is the main file, and example HTML and CSS as an example of how to use it, and images folder that is used in the HTML file. Second, add the split slider CSS and JS files to your project and also in the HTML file. The example.css is the styles of the HTML content of the slides that you add to the function, as I will show you now. So using it is depend on content that you want to add. Third, create the element that will contain the slider and add the CSS selector you want to use. I created 3 elements as I want 3 sliders. Then call the split slider function and pass the CSS selector and an array of objects. Each object represents each slide with 2 attributes, the left part and the right part, that take string value for the HTML content of each part of the slide. The same for the second and the third sliders. Now I open the example.html. This is the first slider. The content of the slide is that I add in the array of object, and it's CSS from example.css. You can move between slides by clicking on the button or on the dots in the bottom. The animation and the styles of the slider itself is from the split slider.css. The second and the third slider also the same but different in the content. The slider is responsive with different screen sizes. That's all in this video. If you like the slider, you can get it from the link in description below. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.